Hello and welcome back to the Cardi Foundation. Today we're going to be building on our app again, as this is the third video, and what we're going to be doing is creating a splash screen. So a splash screen is where it's kind of a loading in feature, so it's not really something functional. It's personally to add like an aesthetic to the app and make it much more personalizable for you guys when you're creating the app. So it kind of just shows an image at the start and then it'll transition into the main app where it could start on the home screen or this main grant screen. So we could do it to here. I'm going to do it where it starts at the screen and then it fades into this screen. But obviously you can do it to any screen. You can maybe even have an extra screen where you have a home screen and you can choose if you want to go to grants or if you want to exit the app. Maybe something like that will be quite cool to add. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but that will be cool, something to add for you guys to learn. So I'm going to start by creating my splash screen. So the first thing I need to do is create a new screen. So we're going to be in our app. At the top, we want to create a new screen. We're just going to do it blank at the moment. And this is where you'd actually add your image. So you can do an image or you could add some text, maybe saying like, welcome to the app. Maybe add some Aylesbury Town Council, Clare Foundation media there, just so you can see that it's their app and then it slowly fades into the main app, which I think is a really cool feature. I'm not going to add any images or anything, I just want to show you how it works. So the first thing we need to do is input a timer. So the timer will be used to count down, and then when that timer ends, it will fade into the next screen. So I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to search for a timer, see it's there, just going to put that there. And the first thing that we need to do is make it start automatically. So it will start counting down automatically and we don't have to press anything. So the whole point of the splash screen is that it automatically fades into the main screen. We don't have to do anything. And the duration, so this is in milliseconds. So I'm going to do it to, let's try 30,000. And if we play that, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeps on going. So we don't need, I think 30 milliseconds is 30 seconds. So I'm going to try 3,000 here. So we can always experiment. Let's play it again. 1, 2, 3. And it stops. So 3,000 milliseconds is 3 seconds. So I've learned that today. So what we want to do when that ends, we want it to go to the next screen. So I'm on the timer here. I want to click on the drop down here, and we're going to find somewhere where it does when it ends. So when it ends, currently it's set to do nothing. But what we want to do is go to the next screen. So we're going to use our navigate function again. We're going to use navigate, and we want to go to the main grant screen. And we're going to add a screen transition. So make sure you add a comma there, and then type screen transition. Dot, and then I'll add a nice fade there. Close your brackets because you've opened it. So let's play it and see if it works. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and then it fades into your central screen. And that is basically a splash screen. The only thing you need to do, so if we go to X and go back to our splash screen, we don't really want to see this timer. We don't want it to be there. So we can hide that. So visible, we want to turn off so you can't see it. Then we click play, wait 3 seconds, and it'll work automatically. So it goes to the main app. And then on that splash screen, like I was saying, you can maybe add an image, maybe some text saying welcome to the grants app, maybe some logos of whichever organization you're creating the app for. Just something to add that's quite cool and a nice feature. But there you go, that's how to create a splash screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.